In this video clip, we will be installing the top. After installing the bottom piece, I went ahead and flipped up my chest of drawers up onto the workbench. This will really help when installing the top. The first thing that you need to do is dry fit the top. So just go ahead and set that in place and make sure all of your measurements were correct. Everything looks pretty good. Next, we will go ahead and glue it. Place our top on there. Make sure that everything is flush and where we want it to be. And then pin nail it in place. Once our top is on, I'm going to go ahead and take a square and make sure that my cabinet is square. If it's not, you want to bend it until it becomes square so that when the glue dries, everything will line up.